What will happen if you consume too much salt? Salt is not only an excellent preservative, used back in the day before refrigeration, but it also brings out the natural flavors in foods. Some dishes are bland and tasteless without it. Even a sweet, fresh fruit such as watermelon benefits from a bit of salt, and a crunchy dusting of sea salt takes caramel to another level. As is so often the case, too much of a good thing can be bad for you. Taking in too much salt can have serious effects on your health. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. What sodium is for? Sodium serves several purposes in your body. Working side by side with potassium, sodium helps regulate the fluids in your bloodstream. A healthy balance of sodium, potassium and water helps keep your blood flowing smoothly, the better to nourish and oxygenate your muscles, organs and brain. Sodium also plays a part in sending the electrical impulses that move your muscles and keep your heart beating. Too much sodium can cause the potassium in your body to hold onto the water. This increases the volume of blood, raising your blood pressure. How much salt is too much? The U.S. Department of Agriculture suggests that most people consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of salt per day. That might sound like a lot, but 1 teaspoon will get you just about there. Salt is found in pretty much all processed foods, and fast foods and restaurants also use a heavy hand with the salt shaker. Most people get enough sodium in their diets without having to add any at the table. People over 50, black people and those with diabetes, high blood pressure and kidney disease should limit their intake to no more than 1,500 mgs per day to avoid the complications caused by too much sodium in their body. Negative effects of too much sodium. The main effect of too much sodium in your body is the way the potassium reacts. It holds onto the water in your body, increasing the volume of blood, which puts stress on your blood vessel walls. If this stress is maintained over a long period of time, it can weaken your blood vessels. This high volume of fluid can also cause the triglycerides in your blood, which are tiny globules of fat, to pile up, which can increase your risk of heart attack or stroke. Dealing with all of this puts a strain on your heart as it is forced to work harder to maintain the flow of blood throughout your body, which can encourage heart disease. The other main effect of too much sodium in your body is bloating. When your potassium tries to grab onto water to maintain the fluid balance in your body, it doesn't just overfill your blood vessels. Water can become trapped in your tissues, causing your face, hands and feet to swell. This is as uncomfortable as it is unattractive. Limiting your sodium intake and making sure you stay hydrated will go a long way toward keeping your fluids in balance. If this information helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.